Hi, and welcome everybody. Let's take a look with a lot of headlines coming up. I think the main focus now is the Iran war. What does it mean for the stock market, the precious metals, and you? And what can you do as an investor to protect yourself, especially in time of geopolitical risks? So let's take a look where we are. I think most of us know that we go to the grocery store. Inflation is quite high. So that's one of the things that investors are seeing is there's high inflation all around. And also a lot of speculation. We see Micron, which is a semiconductor stock that has speculative access. I mean, it has really gone up really fast to a 1 trillion cap. With the war going on, we're also seeing a lot of decelerating global liquidity as the Middle East countries unfortunately can't sell their oil. They're selling other assets such as gold and silver. So you're seeing a lot of prices in the precious metals go down. Another thing that's happening recently, right now, tomorrow on the 12th, you're going to have a SpaceX IPO. Other AI companies want to do their IPOs, such as Anthropic and OpenAI. So that's about $3 trillion that the market needs to absorb with new uh, not only treasuries but also stocks. So I think it's a better selling opportunity now if you want to get out. And I do prefer the precious metals, gold and silver. So that's one aspect of it. Let's take a look at the technical side of the stock market. Right now, we're seeing index highs, but they're really masked by weak breadth and narrowing leadership. We're not seeing those across the board. It's really a few companies, especially in AI, that are powering these index highs. We did have a sell-off in March, but that was too shallow for a healthy reset. And I think with the mid-year elections coming up, I do see weakness in head. So it's probably the best thing was like sell in May and go away. And with the war going on and off again, I don't think this is going to end anytime soon. So I think I see the Iran war continuing with the inflation. So I think the best thing investors can do is, have a good dry powder of cash, about 25 to 30%. Add to gold and silver. I do see these prices moving up from the lows. And if you really want to be in the stock market, I think oil companies such as Chevron and Exxon and all those companies that produce oil and sell them, including the defense companies, Raytheon and General Dynamics. Those are great companies if you want to play with the defense with the war. So let's take a look at what I think what's going to affect the Iran war is two things. We're going to have maybe a stock market sell-off as it accelerates. So you'll have asset deflation along with sticky inflation, more like stagflation back from the 1970s. The Strait of Hormuz is currently in a deadlock situation. So you're going to see a lot of oil producing companies tying up on liquidity, and we could probably see the 10-year yield on the treasury reach to 6%. So the bottom line is I'm kind of bearish on the AI stocks. I believe they're in a speculative bubble, which is coming to an end soon. Hard to time these things. So I think the best thing an investor can do is play defense right now, and I favor cash if you want some, safe, low risk income on the side, maybe treasury bonds. If you still like, you think the war is going to continue and get worse, energy and defense would be the place to be. And always you're going to be safe with gold and silver holding the precious metals. I would hold them actually in their physical form. And so, unfortunately, the Iran war does add inflation, liquidity pressure to already a fragile market. All right, everybody, have a great day now. We'll talk again soon. Take care. Bye bye.